la la! Today we're going to draw a gorgeous stiletto heel shoe, glittery and colourful, starting with heart detail. Now let's do the outline of the shoe. Pointy toe. Up we go. And back around. Down the frame. Inside. Some stripes. And our heel. Right, time to paint. Let's start with gorgeous peach for the inside. That's our inner sole. Now, sparkly yellow. Wow, look at that. That's the inside edge. There. And the rim. Going around our heart carefully. And our heart must, of course, be red. Well, you don't have to do it red. You can do it any colour you like. Purple next. We're going to paint each segment a different colour to have a gorgeous rainbow-coloured stiletto-heeled shoe. Green next. You could alternate two different colours, do different shades of the same colour. It really depends on what you like the best. Red looks lovely. Turquoise next. And pink. Gotta have some pink in there. Up and down, keeping inside the borders. Brilliant. Green next. And done. Time to paint our heel. Royal blue. Side to side. And up. There! That was easy, wasn't it? What a wonderful shoe. I would love to have one just like that in my wardrobe, wouldn't you?
Subscribe and watch more.